this is towards the end of the playlist on quadratic sequences, and the reason I've left it towards the end is because the numbers are slightly bigger, makes it slightly more awkward, but actually I'm going to apply exactly the same principles that I've used in the other videos, and that is that I need to work out firstly the first difference, and the first difference between each of these numbers is 7, 13, 19, 25 and 31, and then the second difference, and it's the second difference which I'm interested in, which in this particular case all of those are 6. Now what I'm trying to do is come up with an expression which follows the general format of an squared plus bn plus c. And again, if you're not sure about any of this, please do have a look at the previous videos. But you might remember, if you've had a look at quadratic sequences before, that this particular number here is the same as 2 lots of a. So therefore I can say that a is 3, and that's that number here. So a is 3 with this particular quadratic sequence. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do, and again this is duplicated with the previous videos, is I'm going to draw 3 arrows at the top of my first 2 numbers because they're the ones that are important to me. And then I need to remember 3a plus b equals the difference between the first 2 numbers. So 9 take away 2 is 7. Okay, I've already got my value of a, so I can plug this straight into here. So I've got 9 plus b equals 7. So b in this particular case equals -2, and that's going to be my second number here. Okay, my final one, and the reason I've put 2 arrows at the top here is to remember that a plus b plus c equals the first number, which in this case is 2. It's then a case of plugging in the information that I've already got. So I know a is 3, I know b is -2, I don't know c, but I do know that when you add that lot together you're going to get 2 at the end. Okay, so 3 plus -2, well that's going to be 1. 1 plus c equals 2, so therefore c must equal 1. Okay, pretty much that's it. It's just a case now of putting it into the general form and then tidying it up a little bit. So a is 3n squared, plus b is -2n, and c is +1. Okay, we don't normally write things like that, we just make them a little bit tidier, and I'm going to get 3n squared -2n plus 1, and that is the quadratic sequence, the nth term of the quadratic sequence. I hope that's been okay for you. There are other videos within this playlist. If you're not sure, please do add a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.